Welcome friend to www.iimbiocar.com. It is an online site that deals with online exam, online video, online study materials, online question, etc. etc. Basically, it is meant for medical entrance exam like NEET, AIIMS, and other exams related to biology, that is NISER, OLYMPAID. The topic was given by the Sir AKB Sir. The first topic that deals with that is called as biological classifications. And in this biological classification, we first have the topic that is we are dealing with the virus as the topic. Okay, let's start with the topic virus. And first, we should know what do we mean by virus. So according to the Latin term, it has been estimated that virus means is a poisonous fluid, or we can call them as venom. Okay, later they are regarded as ultra microscopic, very minute, very microscopic. They are non-cellular, they don't have any cells, so they are called non-cellular, acellular. They are highly parasitic or infectious. And the infectious nature is of parasitic. What kind of parasitic? It is an obligate parasite. That means parasite throughout its lifespans. And they are devoid of any biosynthetic enzymes. They don't have any biosynthetic enzyme. So they depend on the host for metabolic activities. And their metabolic machinery is controlled by their nucleic acid, called as DNA, either DNA, or you can call them as RNA. But both DNA and RNA are absent in virus. Let us study about its history. First, plant virus was recorded by the scientist Charles Eccles. Charles Eccles was the first scientist to discover the plant virus from its tulip plants about the color break tulip. The color break tulip is the symbol of love. We call them as a symbol of love and nicety, but actually it is a viral infection. And it has been proved that it is transferable from one variety to another variety. And the conclusion was given by the scientist Charles Eccles. But actually scientifically, the virus was discovered from higher plant virus by Adolf Meyer, one of the renowned scientists, that is TMB, which has an animal containing RNA containing virus, and containing ribovirus. That means they have RNA as its genetic materials. So we call them as what? Now ribovirus we call them. So according to Adolf Meyer, the scientist, renowned scientist, which actually noted for the discovery of tobacco mosaic disease, and he is failed to find the actual agent, the causal agent for tobacco mosaic virus. This fellow failed for the first time, but he demonstrated that the mosaic virus of tobacco is transmissible from one host to the others. That means applying the infected sap to a healthy plant, he found the healthy plant is also infected. So, taking the constitutions, the scientist D. Ivanovsky found that the sap remain infective even after passing through bacterial filter paper or Chamberlain filter paper. And Ivanovsky first noted that virus is minute to bacteria and also can infect bacteria. So he discovered the infective nature and is the first scientist to prove the existence of virus. He is the first scientist. It is asked in the questions in exam. So remember it. The first scientist to prove the existence of virus is Ivanovsky. Later, Heijernik support Ivanovsky and confirmed Ivanovsky experiment, and he gave the statement that contagium vivum fluidum. That means virus is contaminated. That is, it can transfer from one host to another host like the fluid. So it is called as infectious living fluid by the fellow Heijernik. Later, the term virus was coined by Louis Pasteur. Later, Loeffler and Frost, both scientists, reported the first animal foot and mouth disease of cattle was given by the fellow Loeffler and Frost. Takasi and Rawlins observed the TMB virus first under light microscope, and later Franklin Holmes, they are observed TMB under electron microscope. These questions are normally in entrance. Okay. Stanley, first scientist to form the crystallized form of TMB, and this crystallized nature state of virus remains also infective. Later, Walter Reed reported the first yellow fever of man. The yellow fever of man was reported by Walter Reed, which was the first animal viral disease reported with its causalism. It was the first animal viral disease, that is yellow fever, is regarded as the first animal viral disease. Friend, later the mutation nature of virus is highly mutable. The mutation nature of virus was given by Delberg, Roth, and Wolfman. They both discovered the temperate non-virulent virus, non-infective virus, interference, antiviral agents like proteins. I will discuss its mechanism later. It is an viral infection. It is a response to viral infection was discovered by Isaac and Langman. And later Temin and Baltimore reported the reverse transcription nature, that is the central dogma found in the HIV virus, that is called as the retrovirus. Tuot and DRLE, the scientists discovered bacteriophage. That means virus infecting bacteria called as bacteriophage, and later its virus was discovered in Montpellier from France. And the poliovirus was the virus to be cultured first in vitro synthesis in human cells by John Engels. The first virus to be cultured by in vitro synthesis in human cells. Okay, this is all about the history of the virus. Now, our next video contains classification of virus. Thank you. Please visit our next video on our site, online site www.AIIMS.